Hello, YouTube and everyone else. I have a very special unboxing today. Today I will be unboxing a BRS Replicant. I was part of a drop last week, and this is probably one of the most exciting unboxings I've done in quite a while for me personally. Now, one thing to note. The packaging, UPS sucks, or USPS sucks sometimes. Oops, oh well. But everything seems to be in order, hopefully, so, yeah. One thing about this drop is I was extremely excited about it because I'd been kind of holding off on getting one of these for a while because I was looking for a very specific one. And they finally did a drop for it. So here it is. So it's got a nice little box to it. Now I've seen other unboxings where it had some like other stuff inside. I don't see it on this one, so I guess they don't do that anymore. But that's okay. Let's take a look. All right, now this is a much different case than I remember seeing. It's kind of cool. It's like I'm colorblind, but it looks like it's like a green case. So that's pretty interesting. Yeah, very cool. I mean, I guess it makes sense because, you know, the other case was kind of bigger and it was cool and all, but you know, it was not for just one thing. So, all right, well, here we go. Voila. Oh, man. So, I have been wanting this one for a while. Wow, it feels good. Now, for some reason, I thought there was supposed to be a latch that came with it. Maybe I'm missing it. Oh, here we go. So, I'm guessing, yep. There's the latch. They said in the description that they were going to put the latch separately, which is nice that they, you know, it's one less thing you have to worry about. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's see what we got. Rules of engagement. Blah, 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 blah. If you really want me to read it, I'll just let me know in the comments and I will write all this down. Otherwise, you could just pause it and read it for yourselves. I don't feel like reading all that. It's been a long day. So, yeah, tough. All right, and what else we got? All right, cool sticker. That'll go nicely in my sticker collection. Now, I like that this kind of pops out like this because then I can like store a couple like Band-Aids and stuff in there if I'm like carrying this around with me. So that's pretty nice. I thought that's kind of a nice little touch there. So we'll just put all that stuff back in there for now. Probably, actually, you know what? I'm just going to put it in here because I don't feel like one-handedly doing all that. Okay, so here's what everybody's been looking for. Ta-da! Get it in the light a little bit more here. So yeah, that is awesome. I am like casting a horrible shadow right here. Hold on. So it is the crimson coloring. So it's like red and black. And it's a select alt blade. So it's got like you know, your normal shine to it, but then it also has like a matte, I guess, bead blast shine, you know, bead blasted coating on it. And they did leave the pocket clip on. Doesn't feel too bad as far as a pocket clip is concerned. So I might leave it on as a bite handle indicator. It is nice that it's like right on the bite handle and it's super hard to miss. It's a little tight. So a little surprised at how tight it is, but let's take a look at. Yeah, it looks like the tuning is really You know, it looks like there's like no handle play or anything, which is nice. Yeah, no tap there. I'm like rattling the handle here, but man, yeah, this is dope. I really like this a lot. I'm definitely gonna, you know, see if I can like tune it slightly. See if that helps with everything. Here's my giant bag of magic decks. I know somebody had talked about magic and noticed it and was like, "Oh, cool." So, you know, maybe I'll show off some magic decks at some point. But anyway, yeah, this thing, I think it's definitely going to be one of my favorites going forward. It's pretty sweet. I'm looking forward to doing some modding on it as well. And, you know, I'll probably, you know, do a follow-up video for this in the near future. You know, more of a review. This is just kind of an unboxing, first impression sort of deal. But yeah, this thing, it sounds pretty good too. Kind of do an ASMR test for you guys. But yeah, I really, the handle feels very cool. It's got a good size to it. Let's see, I got my crate raking on me here. So it's like, it's a little bit shorter than the crate raking if you take a look, but not by much. So that's pretty all right. But yeah, I will do a full-on review once I get to, you know, playing with this a little bit more. One thing I noticed right out of the gate is not a big fan of the Zen nipple. I wish they would have rounded it. Like if you look at the, you know, like the crate rake-in's a little, it's like slightly rounded. And it's just kind of a little on the sharp side there. It's not terrible, but you know, it's definitely work with. You know, it's definitely, you know, it's definitely something I can work with. So here we go. It's hard to chaplain when I'm holding a holding a camera, holding a phone. So let's see here. Whoop. Yeah, I can't chaplain while I'm doing that. It says too. I definitely could use some lube on it, and a little bit of slight tuning on it. You know, it's a little tight, a little tighter than I'd like. You know, I prefer it a little more loose, but you know, that's all right. It's just kind of a tuning preference in general. But all right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm super excited about this. Stay metal and peace. Have a great night, guys. Bye.